Hey guys, it's Quinn the Eskimo here. My new shelter. For now. Nice. Built with my grandson. Gonna have a little lunch. Brewing up some tea. A little Billy cup. I made about 5 of these. This one's not used a lot, but I made like 5. It's a real Billy cup, man. You know. Got some Portuguese noodles here. Spoon I made, some digestives, some nice chorizo. Okay, and it's cool. So, some nice noodles. So, let's get these ready. I'll get back to you. Cook this up, man. Back again. Cooking up some Portuguese Malenzia Capellino. It's not actually a noodle, it's an Italian style, very thin pasta, but made in Portugal. I got my Alex cup, my little Billy cup here, but in my Goulion from Spain, the digestives to have with my tea. Stove is throwing some really good heat. Now it's only like 48 degrees, and it's what I'm saying. It's a blustery 40. It's warm. It's beautiful, man. It's windy, so we're gonna be fine, man. I dropped one piece of chorizo. I have Portuguese chorizo in there too. I went to the Portuguese store this morning. Got some nice stuff. Hey, guys. Got my spoon here. Gonna have to watch out. Dogs are hanging out here. So yeah, I think that's gonna cook up nice. I didn't put any bouillon cubes in there because I got the chorizo in there. I figured let's see the flavor I got from that, which I know is great. And we're gonna have tea. This sucker is cranking. Of course, you know, again, it's not that cold out, but we got the chimney going up there, nice, burning nice and clean. I got some air mods on here. Let me close this down a little bit. I mean, this puppy's burning. This puppy is burning. But, oh yeah, it's cooking, throwing some wood in there, you know. Cool. Oh yeah, she's doing fine, man. Throw some good chunks of oak in there. Doing fine. I made some mods on here. Again, on this particular stove, you'll see it in my Instagram. I'm Ferrorod on Instagram. You burn 24/7 about 2 days. You got to clean that pipe. So just to let you know, I'll get back to you. Well, what am I doing? Well, going on the Appalachian Trail tomorrow for a couple of nights. Packed my bag, put my bag on, going against all my instincts. Years ago when I used to do stuff and be in tremendous shape, I'm worried about my knees. I probably have half to 2/3 less stuff in that bag right now. I have too much in there. I'm trying to figure out, it's not going to be too cold. It's not going to be too warm either. You know, anywhere from 40 to 45 at night, which is not bad. I've been out. I'm going to be in a hammock. I think I love my hammock. It's really good, but like the straps tend to be a little heavy, the ones I have. Eno hammock. It's very good. I have a shelter. If we run into a shelter and nobody's in there, I have to bring ground pad and stuff. I did that too. But I have under quilt, the whole bit. So I have a lot of stuff. So basically, you're reading the headlines. Quinn the Eskimo, they're a great YouTuber. You'll find him stranded, blown out knees on the AT, but plenty of food. Please bring a drink, and I'll revive myself and complete the trail. I'm optimistic. It'll be fine, man. We'll be fine. But is the stuff too heavy? Yeah, I had a smaller pack ready for the AT. Pick that up. I probably got about half the weight than what I have in there now. A little too much food, you know. Water, I'm going to have at least 32 ounces, plus we'll have the ability to filter water or boil water. So that's what's going on, man. I am on Instagram doing a lot of stuff on there, so it's diverting a lot of my time. Not much, really. I actually kind of like it. It's pretty cool. Take some pictures, short videos. I got a nice music video on there. Bowie song. Check it out. Little shout out to he's been on Instagram. Bushcraft Monk. Bushcraft Monk. Nice stuff. He's just starting out on YouTube. Check him out, man. Bushcraft Monk. Now, of course, we have all the old timers there too. You know, Caroline and Chris, and all those dudes. You know. But yeah, got some good stuff. He wanted to know about the stove and everything, and it's like a Frontier Shasta stove. And I did modify it. You'll see in one of my other videos, I put some holes in the front for air. But throwing really good heat. Burning very nice. I do have the little poker here. You know, it's not something that you're just gonna. Maybe if you had two people, you can haul into the woods if you had to. But it's fine. But we're gonna be doing fine here, man. Oh yeah. Coming along fine. The tea's coming along good. This is coming along. I'm going to change spots. It seems to be getting more heat right over here for the pasta. And we're going to be fine here, man. But yeah, this is my new thing. Got my dream catcher here. Couple things hanging here. I'm gonna put a little bed down on the ground there, probably raised up a little bit with some sticks and stuff. This is new. I have to work on this. All this shrubbery here, most of it is holly. We have a holly bush I had to trim in the front, so I put that in there. Now, if it was, I don't know if it'll be here in the winter, I'm not sure, but I would close part of this off, put this on, or not put anything on, I'll be fine. So, I'll get back to you maybe when some of the food is done. I just want to let you know what I'm doing. I'm going to do some filming out there. I'm not going to get crazy with it. Just little segments of it. And my son will take some pictures and film things too. But yeah, I'm feeling really fine. I'm feeling good. Knees are good, but they're tricky, you know. Seriously, okay, getting back to bags. If I had a bug out of here, I would have 2/3 less stuff on me. Because, the situation wouldn't be too nice. A little butt pack, some stuff thrown in there. If I'm lucky, a little Italian salt pack on there. Enough for my wife and I. Yeah, a lot less. That's the way it would be. Back when I had to do all that stuff, you didn't go carrying all this stuff. I'd throw 2/3 of it away. For real. Yeah, I got too much stuff in there. We'll work it out. But I got help if I need it, But I'm doing a lot of jaw jacking here, man. But yeah, check out that Bushcraft Monk. He's pretty cool. I'm gonna give him a shout out. He's just starting out. I've just been on Instagram since February 28th, so I'm kind of new on there. I'm just learning the ropes, but learning a lot actually from listening to different people. Steve, some guy named Steve. I'm not sure, but so I'll get back to you, man. Got the pooch. Let's see the pooch. Got my beautiful pooch here. Of course. I dropped a piece of Charisse and she scoffed it up, man. She's a beauty. Oh yeah. So, let me get back to you, man. Well, this is done, guys. Billy Cup's okay, but I'd say it's better for directly over fire or in the fire, because it has a little lip in the bottom. Just so you know, usually that's how I do it. The pasta, I added, put a little too much water in it, but I added some spaghetti sauce from McCormick in it. What do I think about it? Well, it says to add other things to it, like tomato paste and stuff like that. Might be pretty good then. I mean, it's good enough. But, yeah, so-so. But chorizo is good. Everything's fine. Tea is boiling. Gonna have some tea after. Kind of hot. I mean, it tastes pretty good, but probably a little hot. It's fine, but chorizo, of course, is good. Cools it down.